Hello friends. Today, let's explore a smart feature in OS Books, Hold Bill. That means, if an urgent customer arrives in the middle of billing, you can simply put the current bill on hold and start a new bill. No need to re-enter any data. And the best part? Whether you're creating a bill for a cash customer or a regular party, it works smoothly in both cases. So first, we're on the OS Books dashboard. From here, just press the shortcut key, Ctrl+S. Here, we'll first create a new customer. Let's say the customer's name is Mohan. Now, let's add a few items for this customer. The bill is getting created, and everything is going smoothly. In the middle of billing, a customer walks in. Sir, I need one item quickly. I'm in a hurry. Now, if we cancel the first bill, all the data will be lost too. And that's exactly where the magic of OS Books Hold Bill feature comes in. Just one click on Hold Bill, and the entire bill gets safely saved as it is. You can hold as many bills as you want, there's no limit. Now let's create the urgent customer's bill. Without selecting any customer, switch the billing mode from credit to cash at the top. And now let's add the item, Colgate toothpaste 50 grams. Quick billing done, and the customer is happy. Now let's go back to the previous Hold Bill. We select the bill from the list, the one for Mohan. As soon as you click, the same items come right back, exactly in the position where you left them. Here, you can either add more items if needed, or directly save the bill, select the payment source, add the amount, and even print the bill right away. And yes, by going to the dashboard and clicking on More Info under Today's Sales, you can also check how many bills were created today. Full control, all on a single screen. So, did you see that? Whether it's handling urgent customers or managing multiple bills at once, everything becomes easier with OS Books Hold Bill feature. Be smart. Choose OS Books. Electric light bulb faster billing, smoother operations. That's the magic of OS Books.